Hi everyone, Sir Bas here, your Canvasador for Education. So for this video, gagawa tayo ng certificates using the bulk create function of Canva. So normally kasi ang ginagawa natin is meron tayong template, tapos dinoduplicate natin ito and then tinatype natin yung mga names ng ating mga estudyante or ng ating mga participants. So if ganun yung ating style, medyo mahirap siyang gawin and masyadong matagal siya. So, with the bulk create function of Canva, we can create multiple certificates in just a matter of minutes or even seconds. So, paano ba siya gawin? So, ang first step natin ay kailangan naka-ready na yung mga names of participants or students natin. And in this case, isa-save natin sila sa Excel file natin as CSV. So, paano natin sila isa-save as CSV? So, first one, i-type niyo muna yung name of students, or maybe if you already have a file of this one, so punta lang po kayo sa file and then click save as. Then, click nyo kung saan nyo sila gustong i-save, and then you write the file name. Halimbawa, I'll just write for demo, bulk create. Then, the next thing is to save them as CSV, delimited. Okay, I'll just double check it. Okay, after that, you click save. So, you already have the CSV file of your name of student. So, next one is punta tayo sa Canva. The next thing that we need to do is to find a template na gusto nating gamitin na swak sa ating event. So, madami po tayo mga templates na pwedeng makita sa Canva, and you can use them. They are all editable, no? So, let's say, for example, this one. So, if you want to use this template, you can click customize this template. Alright? And after that, palitan nyo na po yung mga details na kailangan na magpa-pattern doon sa inyong event. So after that, you can now proceed with the next level. Okay? Or on the next phase of our activity. So now, ako, since mas gusto ko pong gumagawa ng aking sariling designs para ma-enhance pa yung aking design skills, so gumagawa talaga ako ng sarili ko from scratch. So ito po yung nagawa ko for our seminar on science investigatory project sa school. So now, how can we do the bulk create? So the first thing that we need to do is sa ating screen sa bandang left side. So hanapin nyo lang po yung bulk create, or minsan Canva apps po ang nandyan, and then i-select yung bulk create. So after that, you click bulk create. And then, you have two choices para ma-input po yung mga data nyo. It's either you enter data manually or upload CSV. So, let us first try yung upload CSV since meron po tayong Excel file kanina na prepare under Excel file na CSV. So, click po natin yung upload CSV and then hanapin yung file and then click open. And then makikita nyo po dyan, naka-reflect na yung data na nakalagay doon sa ating file. After that po, sa ating template, i-click lang po natin yung text box na paglalagyan ng mga name ng ating mga participants. So, tip lang po, make sure yung ating text box ay naka-extend hanggang from one side to another side para po yung mga mahaba yung pangalan. You can also adjust the size if sa tingin nyo po merong names na masyadong mahaba, no? But later on, you can manual edit naman po ito. Pero for the sake na pare-parehas po yung font size na gagamitin, so yun na po yung ginagawa ko. So after that, dun po sa, i-click nyo muna po yung ating text box. or i-select nyo, I mean, and then i-right click nyo po and lalabas yung connect data. So, click nyo po yung connect data and after that po, mayroon po kayong pagpipilian dyan. So, this one, this part is same po dito. So, i-click po natin yan para lumabas po yung name of students na selection po, no? And then after that, click continue. So, ayan po, lalabas po yung mga names ng ating mga students or participants. And then, as you can see, meron tayong 15 students here and then meron din tayong 15 certificates na ma-generate. So, you click generate 15 designs. And after some seconds po, lalabas na po yung ating file na nagko-contain ng mga names ng ating mga estudyante. So nakita nyo po kung gaano kabilis, no? So in just a matter of seconds, nakapag-produce na po tayo ng ating mga certificate. So make sure lang po na yung mga data na nandito ay pare-parehas po, no? Or applicable sila sa lahat ng ating mga estudyante. Okay? So, another one po. So, aside from that, we can also select yung ating enter data manually. So, ito naman po if gusto nyong i-type. Pero of course, that's why ginawa po itong bulk create ng Canva para mas mapadali po yung ating buhay. So, ayaw naman po nating mag-type dyan, no? So, another thing po, if you already have the file, so you just copy and paste. So, kakopy natin ito. And then, i-paste po natin dito. So, after that, click lang po natin yung done. And then, same process po kanina. So, dito sa ating text box, right-click po natin ito and then click yung connect data. And you can click po yung name. So, since yun po yung kailangan natin. And then, again, just click continue. And again, lalabas po yung ating mga name of students and generate designs. So, again, after that po, lalabas yung ating panibagong file para po sa ating mga na-generate na names. And ganun lang po kadali ang paggawa ng certificate or multiple certificates gamit yung bulk create function ng Canva. Okay, thank you po for watching. If you like this video, please give this video a like and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.